Make seared ahi tuna. Seared yellowfin or ahi tuna is famous for its splendid color, mild taste, and creamy texture. You can toast the ahi tuna so its raw core will have a succulent caramelized crust. This tuna recipe complements salad well. You can also serve it as a fabulous appetizer or gratifying alternative to traditional steaks. Below are steps and guides on how to make seared ahi tuna. What you need to make seared ahi tuna. You need ahi tuna steak, pepper, salt, olive oil, lemon slices, fresh herb, spatula, and a frying pan. Buy high-grade fresh ahi. Remember to pick the freshest ahi because you'll only cook and sear it lightly, leaving its core raw. The quality and freshness of the ahi will make a big difference to your recipe. Find ruby-colored meat that resembles sea, however, the tuna must not have a fishy smell. So, buy best the tuna in the market. The price might matter but you will receive an endearing taste as a reward. Marinate the tuna steak. Dust and press some salt and ground pepper onto the tuna steak. As alternative, you can marinate or season the tuna in different blends. Ensure that both sides of the tuna are flavored. Refrigerate the marinated tuna for an hour. It is better if you can marinate it overnight. Heat the frying pan. Heavy-bottomed pan is preferred. Sear the 1/2 inch thick tuna steaks in high heat. Use a thicker pan for thicker tunas. Add olive oil into the pan. Follow the given measurement because too much oil will make your tuna steak greasy. It can also spoil the taste. You can also cook the tuna in clarified butter. However, the clarified butter must be melted and must not have milk solids so the tuna will not exceed the needed temperature in cooking. Put the tuna in the frying pan. Ensure that the pan is hot enough. Turn the tuna over after 2 minutes or if the red meat is already whitish-pink. Cook each side for 1 to 2 minutes until they're seared enough. Remember to not move the tuna immediately in the pan after putting it on because you may tear the flesh and you'll not achieve an effective sear. Serve the seared ahi tuna. Let the fish meat cool before cutting it into thin slices or smaller chunks to showcase its attractive pink center. You can serve it whole but most people serve it in 1/4 inch bulk slices for aesthetic or presentation goals. If you're serving the seared tuna as appetizer or salad, then it must also be sliced. You can eat this recipe as a meal, or side dish. You can eat it while sipping wine for a wonderful classy experience. For garnish, you can use lemon slices and fresh herbs. People who love seared ahi tuna also love seared tuna with avocado, white bean, and tuna salad, and grilled tuna kebabs among others. There are many recipes that you can do with tuna. Start with seared ahi tuna, then try the other recipes. Besides great taste and great blending with other recipes, you'll also achieve health benefits from this excellent fish meat.